Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you about the JavaScript number method. Number method help you to work with number. The primitive value 3.14 and 2014 cannot have a properties and method. But with JavaScript method, the properties are also available to primitive value because JavaScript treat primitive value as an object when executing methods and properties. The toString method. ToString method return a number as a string. So when we write x dot toString 123.2 string and 100 plus 22 string, all threes will give you a 123 because x you define 123 and when you say x dot toString it will convert it into the string. And in case of 100 plus 23, it will first add the number, then it will convert into the string. Let's see. All three will come 123. Next is the to exponential. When we want to represent the number as an exponential with a number rounded and written using exponential notation, then we write uh, y equals to number 9.656 and y dot 2 exponential 2, 4 and 6. That means कि up to the 4th digit, up to the 6th digit and up to the 2 places of the exponential. So it will return you a value 9.66e, 9.6560e, 9.656000e. Here 2 place, here 4 place and in this the 6 places. Next is you want to convert the perfect for working with the money, then in this case you need to use the fixed method. Fixed method will fix the how many places you want to show show after the decimal. So when you write 2, then it will give 9.65. When you write 4, then it will give you 6560. Then it will in 6 it will add the 30. Let's see. It will give you this way. Next is value of. A value of in JavaScript number can be a primitive value type of number or an object type of object. The value of method is used internally in JavaScript to convert the number object to primitive value. There is no reason to use it in your code. All JavaScript data type have a value of and toString method. So when you write this, then it will give you a same value as a toString. So get it. It will give you a 1, 2, 3 in all cases. So these are the methods, and now I will tell you about the some more methods property which you must know. That is a global JavaScript method, that is number, parse, int and float, and it is very helpful in a programming because many times you have to convert the number into int, float and number. First method is number method. When you write number true, it will give 1 because always true value is 1. Number false, then it will give 0. Number 10 in a string, then it will give you number 10. If space then 10, then it will give 10. When number 10 and space, then it will give 10. When number 10 space 10 space, then it will give you a 10. When number 10.33, then it will give you a 10 because it is a number only, and then 10 comma 33 and 10 space 33 it will give you a nan, and Amit will also give you a nan because it is not a number, so it will give you a like this. The parse int means a string you are converting into int form, and int is a number which range 327682. -32767, and when you write parse in 10, it will give you a 10. Parse in 10.33, then it will give you a 10. Parse in 10,6, 10 space 6, then it will give you a 10. Parse in 10 space year, then it will give you a 10. Parse in year space 10, then it will give you a 9, because here is not a number and it take the first number only. So when you run it, then you will get the answer 10, 10.33, 10, 10, 10, 10 and 9. In same case, when you write parse float, float means it will also include the decimal portion. So here the difference between parse int and parse float is that when you write parse float, then you will get a 10.33 also. Next is number property. How you write the parse float? Same way, but in place of parse int, you have to write the parse float. Next is number property. Number property means if the number cannot be converted into nan, it is return nan. Number property means maximum value, minimum value, positive infinitive, negative infinitive, and nan. So maximum value and minimum value, what is the maximum and minimum value of the number? For that you have to write x is equal to number dot maximum value. Then it will give you a maximum value which is possible in the computer is I will show you in when I run it, and minimum value when I run it, it will give in exponential form. Let's see. This is the maximum number and this is the minimum number. So how you will write? You have to write it like this. X is equal to number dot max value and x is equal to number dot min value. Then it will give you a maximum and minimum value of the property. And then nan. Nan is a JavaScript reserved word indicating that the number is not a legal number. A number divided by non-numeric string become a nan. As I told you in previous lecture, when I divide the 100 by apple, apple is a non-numeric string, so it will give you a nan. Number property cannot used as a variable. It will give a undefined because number property belongs to the JavaScript number object wrapper called number. These properties can only be assessed as a number max value. Using my number max value, where my number is a variable expression or value will return undefined. So when I write x is equal to 6, y is equal to x dot max number, it will give you a undefined because you cannot be used as a variable. Number property you cannot use as a variable. So when you write the inner HTML x dot max value where x is equal to 6, then it will give you a undefined. Let's see. It will give you a undefined. Okay. So that is all about the number method. Next time I will tell you something else in JavaScript. So you must know how to work in JavaScript. Thank you viewers. If you like this, then please like, subscribe and comment and press the bell. Thank you.